Hi guys, at ngayon guys pupunta tayo sa quick emission dahil magpa-register tayo sa sasakyanan dahil malapit nang ma-expire. So, samahan ninyo kami guys. Tara! Okay, let's go! How much that, honey? When the Smog test and registration.
They'll tell you it's going to be over 100.
Oh.
Have to charge it 2 times. One for the registration, one for the emissions.
Okay.
Total will be over 100. Yeah, go down. Legacy. Yep. Regular TV. Yeah, they all have cable. Oh yeah, next door has Utopia. I saw him put it in.
Tables in there. They're like built in now. Because during the summer they cleaned it, but the carpet literally broke. So once we can maintenance outside the school now. It's already been going on for like a month now. And
It's a beautiful day.
it's not halfway.
3 weeks.
It's a beautiful day. RJ have no clouds.
There's a cloud right there.
Only little.
It's a little cloud that looks like a horse.
Yeah. Hey, look at that before, RJ. I was
Cold.
young. Art of people, RJ.
Imagine that one cloud is pouring rain. Imagine. Rain
Imagine
just
that.
coming out of that cloud.
Imagine that, RJ.
Rain just pouring.
On the way to Walmart from the railroad track.
Yep. A biker. Traffic light.
No. Did they replace that or something?
Looks new, doesn't it?
This is very new. That's new. That's definitely a school.
Get behind those white cars. Left lane.
Now. Now. Where are we going after this?
I don't know. We're not going shopping.
75.
This road got bumpy.
Okay, back
I
on
saw
the
him park every day on this road.
Good.
On the right.
Railroad. Train.
Look, they're open.
Whoa, a garage out there.
See that
Keep going.
one,
Take the next right.
two,
Oh,
That's
yeah, it's the next right.
3. Got 3/4 to fit in the machine.
You need what, a buck and a quarter? 75 cents, that's it?
Yeah. And I have 75 cents.
Where's that ignition?
Daddy, I have 2 choices.
Where, honey?
To the park lot right here.
Daddy,
Good?
The second one.
Okay.
Daddy, what do you want me to get? Talk or
See emissions?
a
This.
Coca-Cola
Pull up in front of the
regular
glass.
flavor?
Quick emissions.
Let's see if ginger ale. Is ginger ale in there?
No, that's this Fanta.
Fanta what?
Fanta.
Orange?
Yeah. Yes. Just
Good.
Okay, let's go.
You
You're here
leave all your
now.
ca-
Guys, the quick emission. The MD Renewal. There is. There is. Yan. Okay guys, we're going to...
I mean, Del Taco is not anywhere in like
Where are we going?
Where I'm going. Right by the car wash. Want to go
Where are we going, honey? Del Taco?
Car wash?
We're going to car wash?
Hey, you want to?
Okay, I go so that he clean this car.
Pickup truck's for the
Yeah.
next week for.
So guys, the price is 121 the registration, and the DMD is
There's a line.
$10 plus the emission. The Smog check is $38. So ang mahal magpa-register dito at saka magpa-Smog test. So ngayon nandito na kami sa auto wash. Magpa-car wash kami dito dahil
We'll go back later.
okay, come back later because
RV
have
wash,
people here
motor
so
wash.
long to finish.
They all want the new one too.
Yep. So we go to the
Del Taco's right
Del
around the block.
Taco. We go to Del Taco kasi dahil si daddy na gutom na. There
That's the
is.
UPS store now.
There is UPS so big. Why have here now?
They keep moving.
Maybe it's a
Once a year.
big space there. Here is Del Taco drive-through.
No space to put their trucks.
Here is.
You want a barbecue brisket?
No, not one. I'm full, honey. I ate already. Only you,
It's a
honey.
barbecue brisket.
Avocado,
You want anything like that?
tomato. You want RJ?
Take water. Just kidding.
You have water there. Okay.
Quesadilla?
A beef burrito and a barbecue brisket quesadilla.
Right. Yes. That's
Okay.
it.
Is
That's
there
it.
anything else I can get started for you today?
That will be it.
Okay, your total is going to be $12.33 up at the window. Thank you so much.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
Okay, guys, we go back to car wash. There you go. Yes, car wash.
There's an office upstairs, right?
Have office upstairs. Hey, in the other, honey. Other side.
Hey, Daddy, I'm not seatbelt on.
He wasn't eligible to get it.
Or your seatbelt on.
Car wash.
Where does it tell you which one? This is a laser wash. There's no choice on this one?
No, they're all the choices. Basic, deluxe, or ultimate.
Where are you reading?
It's right there on the screen.
Nobody from the media has
Oh, from
bothered
an
to
angle, I
ask,
can't read
why
that.
did Hunter need a gun?
$10 for
He's got
deluxe.
the protection of the Secret
You've always
Service.
done that,
Why
don't you
didn't
remember?
Used to be
the
$7 for
Secret Service
deluxe.
step in if he needed protection? And the only other thing I can think of is if he planned
$10,
on
isn't it?
using it on another human being. I don't know if he had Secret Service protection at the time. I know he had some because when the gun was put in the dumpster, thankfully found by a good Samaritan who ran it over the police, issues about Secret Service protection and monitoring that came up. I hope they didn't do anything to get involved, but putting that aside, certainly the word in the room, I don't know what they know. I don't. And again, he would have had to have known that he purchased this
What should I get?
firearm,
That's it.
and he is armed length with his relates to the issue of law.
There you go.
For this, but they're great at it. People that are
Ooh.
marksmen, people that are gun enthusiasts.
There no,
If you're
honey.
a novice and you want to learn
Welcome.
how
Car
to
wash.
safely
Yeah.
Car wash 2.0.
2.0.
The LED lights. Oh, what's happening? A lot of Dead Street.
Tell me to just go out.
Forward.
with
See
firearms.
that forward.
People ask
Okay,
me,
stop here. Stop here.
which one do you
Stop.
you learn safety before
Oh
you
no,
actually
it's over.
So that they're not making noise. Oh no.
Exit.
Where is it?
my god, the LED lights are blue. Oh no, it's that thing. Oh no. No! What are they spraying us with?
Not like
That was the regular wash.
Yeah, but-
It was not a laser wash.
this is a laser, honey.
We're getting
They
a
call
goal.
it laser wash.
We're getting a goal.
There is
No! I can't see.
laser
no!
wash.
We can't see anymore. Our last hope is your window. No, please.
No.
Ah!
Oh no, RJ.
Light.
There you
This is
go.
alien water.
Alien water.
It smells like it. The toilet stuff you put in to clean it. Oh no.
There you
Not again.
go.
No, please.
How many times?
Anymore. I'm blind. Oh my god, the roof! The roof!
There's the rope.
Oh my god, green.
Oh.
What is that? Air?
Water.
Bubbles. Brush, look at the brush.
Oh my god. Our place is gonna be clean. Yes! Oh yeah. You can see again. Like this. You can see. There's a wash 360. What is it spraying now?
Deluxe.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh no! It's the pink, blue, green liquid.
The
Yeah.
worms. Look.
Look.
Remember this liquid?
Yep.
I don't like the smell.
Look at that rope, RJ.
Oh my god. Clean it. Oh no. This is air water. This is secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
Here goes the roof. It's secret sauce. No. Secret sauce. Oh my god. What is the LED in? What is it doing now? But now that's the LED. Oh my god, it's flashing everywhere. What the heck? No, please.
Here's the heater. There you go. Forward.
Go, 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 forward. Let me go. Let's park behind us. We got 48 seconds, Daddy.
Maybe better this, honey, because it's a laser
No
wash.
brush.
Yeah,
Don't
no
scratch the
brush.
car.
Yeah.
It's air.
Yeah. Countdown. There is
We got
timer.
nuke you if you don't get out in time.
Yep. 27. 25.
85.
24. 22.
Don't drive in front.
21.
You went too
Yeah.
fast.
Yeah, you're so fast. How about time there? See?
Let's go turn
Stay
around.
here, honey. Stay here.
You dry in the trunk?
Yeah, because you're so fast, honey.
You're going about as slow as I
Okay.
can.
There you go now. Here it is.
I didn't like it. Look at it. It's wet still.
Because you're so fast, though.
Take a look.
Let's take a look.
Okay. Take a look, RJ. Okay, let's see, RJ, if it works.
That is still wet.
It's still wet.
That is wet.
But it's clean, no? Okay. There you go. Okay guys. Tapos na ang pagkakarwas. So, uwi na kami. So, that's it for today. And see you next time.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.